So, as you all know that we are here to represent our state Sikkim. So, I am gonna share history of Sikkim with you. So, Sikkim was a Buddhist kingdom under the Namgyal Chogyal dynasty from 1842 to 1975. Time and again, the little kingdom had to defend itself against attacks from Nepal. 1835, the area of Darjeeling that had been part of Sikkim until then was annexed by British India. Sikkim was a protectorate first of British India and after its independence in 1947 of India. With foreign policies and national defense in the hands of India, the political influence of Sikkim became more severely restricted. When the new constitution came into force in 1955, bureaucrats planned to bring the monarchy to an end in 1973. The India in turn increased its influence. The Chogyal king who governs with rightness, Palden Namgyal Thodak, was crashed in 1975 and Sikkim
I am going to tell about Sikkim state. Sikkim is very small state. Its capital is Gangtok. Its official languages are English, Nepali, Sikkimese and Lepcha. Its chief minister is Prem Singh Tamang. It has only 4 districts and it is a very beautiful state. And this state includes the highest peak of India known as Kanchenjunga. This state also banned the manufacture of plastic bottles and polythenes. Thank you. Have a nice day.
My name is Shruti Bhardwaj and today I am here to speak on the state Sikkim. Sikkim is a North Indian state of India. It is also called Brothers of Seven Sisters. It was established on 16th May 1975. The official language of Sikkim is Nepali. The official flower of Sikkim is Dendrobium nobile. Sikkim has Kanchenjunga, which is the 3rd highest mountain in the world. Hinduism and Vajrayana Buddhism are the 2 main reasons of Sikkim. Sikkim has the largest production of cardamom in India. The major places to visit in Sikkim are Guru Dongmar Lake, Yamthang Valley and the Seven Sisters Waterfall.
To one and all present there, myself Sanu of 10 Shakespeare would like to speak few lines on the topic Sikkim. Sikkim, the state of India, is located in the northeastern part of the country in the eastern Himalayas. It is one of the smallest states in India. Its capital is Gangtok in the southeastern part of the state. The Sikkim basin is drained by the Teesta river and its tributaries such as the Ranjit, which have cut down deep valleys into the mountains. More than 2/5 of Sikkim is forested. Sal, palms, bamboos and orchids are common in the subtropical forests, some below about 5,000 feet. Roughly 3/4 of Sikkim's residents are Nepalis in origin. About 1/5 of population consists of scheduled tribes. Thank you. Have a
Good morning everyone. Today myself Yashika on the behalf of class 10 wants to give you all a little bit information about Sikkim. Sikkim is the northeastern state of India. Its capital is Gangtok. Sikkim's people are so friendly, warm and simple. The traditional dress of Sikkim is Bakhu or Kho. The main language that is spoken in Sikkim is Nepali. Sikkim is home to around 5,000 species of flowering plants and over 900 species of medicinal plants. And there are many more species that exist in Sikkim. Sikkim is very beautiful place because of its tourist places. Some of them are Teesta River, Nathula Pass, Zuluk and Namchi. Noble Dendrobium is the official flower of Sikkim. Sikkim is a very beautiful, wonderful and a very great place that you can visit. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
To one and all presented here, respected principal ma'am, dear teachers and my dear all friends. Today I, Tanisha of class 10th Arnold, standing in front of you to share my point of view on the topic of tradition and culture of Sikkim. Sikkim is unique blend of different religion, customs and traditions of different communities. In the ancient times, Sikkim was occupied by three tribes, Nong, Chang, and the Moon. But with the course of time, the inhabitants of the nearby countries become a major inhabitant of the state. That includes the Lepcha. The clan of Nagas from Tibet are one of the tribal groups. The Buddhists, the descendants of Buddhists from the Tibet, and the Nepalis, the descendants of the Hindus from Nepali, which now dominates through considerable portion of the Sikkim's population, and hence Nepali is the most common among all the languages in Sikkim. The Tibetan Buddhists cured in Sikkim. The Tibetan Buddhists and believe since the last three countries they had been settled in Sikkim, living together harmoniously. The Sikkim's Buddhists and Tibetans display the culture, social and legislative combinations in between, on which they go to monasteries and offer butter lamps along with the prayers. Later, the colorful processions are ordered by the monks chanting holy spirits go around the town of Sikkim, the earliest inhabitant of the state. The Lepchas were the believers of Bon, faith and Muni, based on spirits before they turned Buddhist or Christians. The mountains, rivers, forests, etc. Thank you.
Available in every house of the Sikkim. It is the life of Nepali